Hello everyone, let's start solving this question which came in today's weekly contest 468. The question is maximum total subarray value 1. You are given an integer array nums of length n and integer k. You need to choose exactly k non-empty subarrays nums uh, L to R of nums. Okay, subarrays may overlap and the exact same subarray, same L and R can be chosen more than one. The value of subarray is defined as maximum of this subarray minus minimum of that subarray. The total value is the sum of the values of all chosen subarrays. Return the maximum possible total values you can achieve. A subarray is a contiguous non-empty sequence of elements within an array. Okay, let's say consider this this example 132 k is 2. So we have to select two subarrays, and from the two subarrays we will have to find the maximum one and minimum one and subtract that and add this. So here you can see they have chosen this 0 to 1, that means this subarray, and another one was this subarray. Okay, in that what they did, what is the maximum element from this subarray is 3, minimum is 1, that means the difference is 2. In this maximum is 3, minimum is 2, 1, and the difference is 2. So k is 2, so we got two subarrays and add those, we'll get the answer. In this way they are fine, they have achieved this answer. So but see, 1 3 2, what are the possible subarrays are 1 3 1 3 2 3 2. Yes. Other than that, only one single element will be there, and it will be the difference is 0. If you see the constant, you can see there are no negative elements, so we will not consider one element subarray. Okay. So here, what is the maximum one? Maximum element is 3, minimum is 1, and the difference is 2. Here, maximum element is 3, difference is minimum is 1, and difference is 2. Here, maximum is 3, minimum is 2, and the difference is 1. So out of this, what is our k? K is 2. So we will have to select two subarrays which has the highest value, because we have to what? We have to maximize our value. So we have to maximize this value. So the answer is 4. So similarly, if you see the second example, 4 2 5 1 and k is 3, that means we have to select the three subarrays. So here possible subarrays are 4 2, 4 2 5, 4 4 2 5 1. 251. I'm just explaining, and we'll go to a solution. Okay, 25. Now 51. 42 is done. 7 is done. Okay, we'll consider this many other than 1. What is the maximum minus minimum? Here is 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, now here 5 minus 2 is 3. Here 5 minus 1 is 4. Here 5 minus 1 is 4. Here 5 minus 2 is 3. And here 5 minus 1 is 4. So k is 3. So we will consider 1, 2 and 3. Okay. And here the answer is 12. But now see, the trick here is we don't need to calculate all this, because in the question it is given that we can choose the exact same subarray. That means if I got something, that means I don't need all of this. I can choose only one this. If I got the maximum, I can choose this subarray as multiple times, k times. Okay. So the trick here is, as we can choose the multiple subarray, like same subarray multiple times, and we have to maximize the value. And what is the value? Value is the difference between maximum and minimum. So if we find the maximum element from the array and minimum element from the array, and we will get the maximum difference. Okay, because max minus min will be maximum difference. And we, if we just consider the same, we will consider the array, full array as our sub array every time. So we'll get the answer, right? That means what will be the trick here is max value of array minus min value into k will be our answer. So this is the trick. We don't need to calculate all this, because in the question it is given that subarrays may overlap and the exact same subarray, same elements R can be chosen more than one. Okay, so let's start coding. To understand this is the biggest task. Even though if it is marked as medium, you should understand the condition here it is given and how we can apply here. We don't need to find this all this. Okay. Now our answer is in long, so we'll take long. Let's find max. For max, we will initialize as min value. Okay, and long minimum is equal to long dot max value. Now for int num of nums, max is equal to mat dot max of max comma this num. We'll find the maximum and minimum element from the array minimum comma num, and what will be our answer? Return max minus minimum into key will be our answer. Yes, let's run this. As you can see, accepted. Let's submit this solution. So this is the trick to solve this question. You don't really need to calculate all this. Yes, you can see our solution got accepted. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Stay updated.